Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to create professional YouTube banner using Canva. Even if you are a beginner, by the end of this video you will able to design a clean and creative banner for your channel. Let's start. First we need to open our browser and write down here Canva. First go to canva.com and sign in with your Google account or create free account. Now we need to click here. This is my Canva free account. So here you can see more. Here you can see for logo and for YouTube thumbnail. Now we need to scroll down and here you can see YouTube banner. Click here. Now we need to create banner. Here you can see file. Click here and now you can see here setting and show rulers and guides, and you can open by using Shift+R. Now we need to open this one. This one is our grid and ruler. Now we need to start our YouTube banners. This screen is too small, so first I need to increase the size of this screen. I need to click Control and plus sign, and if you click one time then it's this size, and if you click more time, so you can see this is the size. Now it's better for me. And now we need to start our creating a banner, and the full banner size is 2560 pixel wide and 1440 pixel tall, but only the center part called the safe area is always visible on all devices like mobile, TV and computer. And here you can see this one is arrow, and now I need to click here and scroll with my mouse, and here you can see now I need to 2052, and here you can see this one is a 2052. And from the top, like from vertical, first I need 508. Here you can see my cursor and I need to move my mouse, and now I need 509, and here you can see it's a 509 here. And from the bottom till bottom I need 931 from here, and again I need to scroll and 931. So here you can see 931, this one. This is our safe area. So now I need to decrease little bit my screen size, because I increase my size because I need pixels. When we measuring pixel on small screen, we cannot get correct size. However, if we increase the screen size using Control plus sign, we can measure correctly our pixels. So now I need to little bit decrease the size. So now I need to click Control and just click minus sign one time. I just click one time. So now I need to click in this area, and here you can see positions and color, background color, and now I need to click here background color. Click here. Here you can see lot of colors, and these are the solid colors and these are grid color, and here you can see all. Click here, and now you can see different type of colors, and you can pick anyone from these. It's totally up to you which color do you like, but I click on that color. I like this color, and here you can see. And now I need to cross this. If you want change the color, then click again, and so you can see here, and click again on see all, and here you can see again all these colors, and you can pick anyone which one you like. So now we need to start. This is our banner size, and our banner size is 2560 pixels wide and 1440 pixel tall, like this. And but this area is safe area. We need to create all these things in this area, and so now we need to start. Here you can see text, and click here. Now we need to add. So now I need to start my YouTube banner, and I write down here this is my banner name. If you want change your font, and you can see here fonts, and need to click here, and you can pick anyone which one you like. I select from here Arial font, and here you can see if you want bold and you can bold it, and if you don't like bold then you can unclick from here, and I cross from here, and here you can see this one is unclick, but I click on bold. If you want change the color of few words, then you can, like we need to select from like this, like art, AR. Now I need to click on text color and click here. And here you can see just I change these colors. Now I select only these two words and change color. So here you can see I change color only for this word, and now I select this word and unbold to this one, and here you can see, and here I again unbold these two words, and here you can see I like this one. It's totally up to you. If you want change then you can, otherwise you can continue with same. So now I need to add few words here. So on text and again add. Now I need to add, and I move this line from here to here. And if you want you can increase the size like little bit, and this one is perfect. Now I need to add one more line and complete my sentence here, and here you can see, and I move this one from here to here and increase the lines, and now I need to increase the size of my line, and now I need to little bit move here, and the size of both lines should be the same for this. And here you can see this one is 46.5 and this one is little bit more, so I decrease the size. This is perfect. Now I give effect for only this line, and you can see here effects and click here, and it's totally up to you. If you want to give any effect then you can, otherwise you can take simple. And here you can see I give just background color and click here, and now scroll down and here you can see color and click here, and you can pick any color from this, and like I click here like this, and you can pick anyone from this. It's totally up to you which one you like more. And if you want give this one, and so I give this one, and here you can see roundness, and if you want give round more corners then you need to increase the size like this. You can see here if you do not like round corners then you can here 0, and here you can see, and here you can see spread. If you want to give more space here like this, here you can see it's more spread, and if you want decrease the size then you can decrease like this. I like only this one, and here is transparency, and if you want decrease then you can see here it's give a little bit green color and little bit gray. If you want more then you can click here like this and like this. I give here little bit round corner, so now I need to 50 is enough for me, and here you can see now I need to add my YouTube logo. So here I add, and here you can see elements, click here, and here you can see and here you can see frame. Here you can see lot of frames, and you can pick anyone which one you like, and here you can see lot of, and but I like round, so here you can see I click here and little bit decrease the size, and I move, and here you can see this is perfect size. Now I need to upload my YouTube logo, and I click here, and now I need to click here. This is my YouTube logo, and now I need to move it here, and here when I decrease the size it will be fit automatically in this area. So here you can see now I need to decrease little bit size for my logo, and here you can see this is the perfect size for my banner. Here you can see we create banner for our YouTube, and if you want make little bit more changes like change here and anything you can do easily. If you want to remove these grids then again you need to click on Shift plus R, and here you can see if you want again then you again need to click on Shift plus R. In this way you can remove these grid lines, and if you want you can go here like on the file and setting, and you can unclick from here. Now our YouTube banner is ready and just need to upload, and here you can see the button of share, click here, and here you can see download, click here, and here you can see in blue button download. Click here. This image format is PNG. Now we need to upload our YouTube banner. So now we need to go to our YouTube channel. Now we need to go to customization. Click here, and here we need to upload our banner. Click on upload, and here you can see our image AS Smart Guide in PNG. Open, and here you can see. Click on done. This is the perfect size for our desktop, laptop and phone. This one is perfect, and now you are ready. And now I need to click on publish. In this way you can create banner for your YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.